Okay, so now what I'm going to talk about is the format of this class. Basically, the way the class is set up is that you will be doing or conducting research over the semester that will be published in a proceedings for a conference, and it will have to do with cadastral information. Now, basically, the way that it works is every 2 weeks I will have assignments for you to do. They'll be quite simple assignments, maybe reading or completing some task along those every 2 weeks. But ultimately, our final product will be a paper that you will write. And you find this most common in graduate work, but yours will be unique that you will be trying to publish it at the Survey Summit this year, which will be held in San Diego, California. Now, when we put your paper in, you will have co-authors of myself and Rick Smith in our department and Gary Jeffers on the paper. They will help you to publish your paper. And then if you cannot attend the conference, then one of us will present your paper for you. My goal is that what we will do at the beginning of the semester is we will have some projects that will lead to our final paper. In the beginning, we'll need to put in our abstract that we have for our paper. We will then have a project to go through and study or become familiar with the body of knowledge on the paper or the topic that we are writing. In other words, let's say that your paper is about cadastral systems that pipeline companies or oil and gas companies might have. So you're going to go study and learn everything you can about pipeline companies, oil and gas companies, and their cadastrals and how cadastral systems are built. Then you might in your second project, or you will in your second project, build a cadastral type system using GIS type software. And that will be the methods that you will have for your research paper. Your results then will be this built cadastral system that you have placed, and you will wrap that up into a final paper. So along the way, you'll be writing chapters, if you will, for your entire paper that you will submit for your conference. This paper then will be added to your resume as your body of work that you do. I will list some topics that you can use and go after, but I encourage you to come up with some of your own topics and things of that nature. Now, the dates that we need to be aware of currently that is pressing is that you have to have an abstract in by January 31st. So over the next couple of weeks, we'll be working on formulating the abstract that you want to put in for the conference. I'll give you a template for the abstract. You need to come up with a topic or use one of my topics and see if it's of interest to you. So good luck, and I will be discussing this more with you one-on-one as the semester goes along.